Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Elantra brake light. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 7440 bulb. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. Now, open your trunk to get clear access to the taillight assembly. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Next, locate the two screws that secure the taillight assembly in place. These are typically visible once the trunk is open. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back, away from the vehicle, to detach it. Avoid pulling at an angle to prevent damage. With the taillight assembly detached, you'll see the bulb sockets. Identify the brake light socket, which usually has a specific color wire. Twist this socket counterclockwise to release it from the assembly. Carefully pull the old 7440 bulb straight out from the socket. Now, insert your new 7440 bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring a secure fit. Now, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully push the taillight assembly back into its original position on the vehicle. Make sure it aligns properly before securing it with the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier. Tighten them snugly, but don't over-tighten. Finally, have someone check the brake light while you press the pedal to confirm it's working. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.